Hi everybody, it's me, Carrie, your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, hopping on for the video that I did not do yesterday because I had my eyes dilated and they just did not want to go back to vision. And it made me really tired. Have you ever had your eyes dilated? Does it make you tired? It made me really tired. So I don't have my other tablet hooked up. So I'm not going to be able to see your comments, but please go ahead and comment. Likes and loves are always appreciated. And I will review this after the video so you guys can see it. So this is Thinner Thursday on a Friday because of yesterday. So thank you for your patience, everybody. And I'm just going to do a pretty simple card. As far as Weight Watchers goes, because that is what the thinner is, even though I do Slimline cards, I did good. I lost 1.6 pounds, so yay, that was great. However, my friends and I are considering switching to Friday workshops because I like the leader on Thursday. She's very nice, but she does not get to the point of the meeting. and she's very knowledgeable, but she never really gets to where she's supposed to be going until like the last 5 minutes, and then so we're thinking of switching. I went this morning to see the new girl who's actually my old leader from years ago, who I love, and her meeting was just so totally different. So I'm not sure what that means for Thinner Thursdays. I may like tape them on a Friday and then show them on a Thursday, and just I don't know how I'm going to do it, because part of this is telling you how I'm doing on my weight loss too. So I don't know. So it's been a rough week. Dilated eyes, broke a fingernail. That's never good. So anyway, I don't know when I'm going to go get it fixed. So you guys are going to just have to deal with my funky looking finger. So today for the thinner card, we're going to use Fresh Freesia cardstock. And again, it's 8.5 by 7.5, scored at 3 3/4. I'm going to be using this piece from the free celebration paper. Do you remember this piece? It came from that. Let me find it. There you go. It's this centerpiece here that I just really like. So I already have one ready, so put that one back. But anyway, this paper is gorgeous, and it's absolutely free right now through the end of February, while supplies last. So be prepared for that. And it is free with a $50 order. It's really beautiful. It is called Dainty Flowers, and it does coordinate with the Dainty Delight bundle, which is in the new celebration catalog, and that comes with, there's dies, and I don't have them here with me, but it's pretty cool. But you guys have seen them before. So all right, I've already pre-scored this at 3 3/4, and you remember you score, this is the line that you scored on your scorer, so it's dented in, which means you're going to fold that way. You fold it into the hill, not the valley. And I'm going to score that really good. This is pretty light, this cardstock, so you would not necessarily need to put anything on the inside, but it is always fun to decorate, right? So I've trimmed down this piece, and what are my measurements? So I'm standing up for the second. I don't see any comments, so make sure that you say hello. Tell me how you're doing. What's your day going? I know it's weird that I'm here on a Friday. Kind of strange, but anyway, there we are. So it is 2 inches approximately by 6 inches. Okay, so that makes this piece 2 1/4 by 6 1/4. All right, and so I'm just going to mat those two together. I'm going to adhere those two together. Even the back of this paper is pretty, isn't it? It's so pretty. It's just a beautiful pack of Designer Series paper. I know those of you who have gotten it have fallen in love with it. Of quite a few of you picked that as your free item or one of your free items. Often I find that the designer series paper seems to be like when you've got more than one free item going, you pick a stamp set and then you pick the designer series paper, but I don't know. This is a hot item. It's gorgeous. Okay, so then I cut a piece of basic black, and this is cut in a little bit oddly. It is 3 1/4, which you would think 3 1/2, right? But I wanted a wider edge by, this should be 8. Yep, by 8. And then I wanted to stamp this sentiment, "Thank you for your kindness," and emboss it. So I did that beforehand. So it's embossed, and yeah, I know I can see it's slightly off to one side. I know. It's okay. Nobody panic. So I have a plan. And you know me and my plans. We're never really 100% sure how my plans are going to go. But I just keep plugging along because it's fun, right? All right, so now I'm going to center this on the front of my card, and you see it's giving me a wider edge because I really wanted this beautiful fresh freesia to stick out. And I think I'm a little crooked. Let's see if I can move you a little bit. The liquid glue does give you a little bit of wiggle room, which is my favorite thing. Here's a tip for you. If you have trouble stamping these straight, now sometimes, I mean, I would say the Stamparatus, I love the Stamparatus, but sometimes the Stamparatus is not going to do what you need it to do. And we used to have a Stamp-A-Majig. I use that too. But sometimes when I'm doing something maybe like this, I might emboss it where I think it's straight, and then if it's crooked, I will trim it off here to make it straight, and then I trim off everything else into the size that I want. I hope that makes sense. If not, please let me know. Okay, so now I'm just going to, I've already done that. I'm just going to put this on there. Doesn't that look pretty though, embossed on it? So pretty. So I'm just going to add this to my card front. And I'm going to kind of center it like that. So it's already, I mean, that in itself is just pretty, right? All by itself. But like I said, I did do it off to the center because I wanted to try an experiment. I want to make sure I'm completely in camera. Okay. Hi, Meryl. Oh, are those dies on back order? Dang, I did not know that. Darn. It's so hard to keep up these days because, shipping is just not what it used to. And sadly, our dies are not made in America. We'd like them to be, but there isn't a manufacturer here that does that, and so it kind of makes it hard. Okay, so here is my experiment. I am going to try to make a heart with 3 of these opaque adhesive gems, and I think my first thought was the small ones, because there's a lot of small ones. Look how cute. Oh, they're so cute. But I'm going to try it with the medium ones. So I'm using my Take Your Pick tool, and I'm going to start right there, and I think I can just use 3 and it will work. Come on, pick up. Be nice to me. And it will sort of kind of make a heart. Like I said, experiment. Do we have hearts? Sure we do. We have hearts. But I just thought, it almost looks like Mickey Mouse, but that was my plan. I'm not sure I succeeded in it, but yeah, I'm not sure I like that. So like I said, it was a plan. So let me see what I can do with this. I'm trying to get up the glue from underneath it. No, it's not going to do what I want it to. Hang on. Okay, that one moved. I'm going to put that one there, and then maybe if I can slide this adhesive over a little bit. There's still some on here. And then I'll just do 3. Perfection is overrated. I know you've heard that before. Okay, so that works. I wanted the heart, darn it. Oh well. But I think that works too. So I hope you guys like it. I can see I'm a little crooked right here, but it happens. Anyway, that is my simple Thinner Thursday, a nice slimline card. Again, if you wanted to decorate the inside, you certainly have an opportunity to do that, but this is light. But anyway, it's just a fun little card. And this is just so pretty. I just love it. And the black, I think, just really pops it up. So I hope you guys like it. Please share this video with your friends and then comment below that you have shared. If you're watching this on a shared video or on my YouTube channel, just know that I go live only on my Facebook page, which is facebook.com/MemoryInkers. You can shop for Stampin' Up! At MemoryInkers.com. My email is MemoryInkers@gmail.com. And if you are shopping, please use this hostess code for February 2023. 2 T as in Tom, Q as in Queen, M as in Michael, P as in Paul, K as in Carrie, 7 D as in Demo. I know it's supposed to be David, but you know. Anyway, I hope you guys like that, and you'll come back tomorrow for a Saturday sip. See you. Spread them out a little bit. Yep. You're right. Oh, a little one in the middle. Oh, Well, I'll try that next time. Thanks, Meryl. All right, you guys. Bye.